back to this video. What if I told you that there is a Chrome update that allows you to add your Google Chrome developer tool in home page for easy access? Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Then have you open up your Chrome browser, make sure you update your Chrome browser. If you don't know how to update your Chrome browser, follow this step. The very first step you need to take is to come to the top right here. Make sure you click on these three dots and this is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you navigate to settings. Under the setting, it takes you right here. Simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on about Chrome and this is going to pump up. Everything is going to update just like what you see right here in a few seconds. I will update to Google Chrome version 134. After you have successfully updated your Chrome browser, that is when you can have access to these new tools that allow you to add your developer tool into the top of the home screen right here for easy access. So let's see how we can simply get it done. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to come to the top right here. We make sure you create a new tab. Now, having created a new tab, come down below right here. Make sure you click on Customize Chrome. And it's going to open up Customize window like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to Toolbar New. Then scroll down to the last button right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Having turned on this button, you have your developer tool icon from the home tab right here. You can simply click on it. Once you click on it, this allows you to have full access to your developer tool, which allows you to inspect any element on a web page. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.